Hey, how's it going, my friend? In this video, I want to share with you something pretty freaking cool I just learned. In this video, I want to share with you how you can find the most viral content on the internet in any niche and how to put your ad on that content for free in under just like a couple minutes. So this is pretty sweet. So check this out. This website is called buzzsumo.com, Buzzsumo. Basically, they rank websites by social signal shares and stuff like that. And pretty much what you do is you enter like a keyword, like say you were into like personal development, right? Hit search. It's gonna go out there and pull out on the content, and then you can sort by past year or 24 hours or in between, and you can see that it sorts it by Facebook shares, LinkedIn shares, Twitter shares, and it shows you the total shares. So like if you see like this, why personal development is critical success has 38,000 or 38,500 total shares. So that's viral. That's some viral content right there. So if you want to go check that out, you go click the link. All right, this is like a Jim Rohn post. He talks about how your income is directly tied to you and who you are as a person. So say you're like this and you're feeling lazy, you don't want to rewrite it for your blog, whatever. You just want to slap your ad on here and you want to do it for free. So the way we do that is with a website called Sniply. You can share content and drive traffic with it. So we're going to copy this link that we found, this viral post from BuzzSumo. We're going to come over to Sniply, snip.ly. We're going to enter our URL in here, and this is a free tool, and you're going to click snip. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up this web page. See, you enter your URL, you put a message, and then a button text to click. My video is in the way of this right now. You put message, click here, and then where you want it to go. This is your ad right here. You click snip, and then check it out. Copy that, and let's go see what this looks like. So see, my ad is on the bottom. Want to copy a $10,000 a month online business? Click here. Of that website, this viral post we found on BuzzSumo, and did that for free. So now I can send people to this website with this cool viral content, and they see at the bottom, oh, hey, do you want to make $10,000 a month online business? Click here. So this is super cool. If you don't want, if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to write your own content, you could just slap your ads on this viral content for free. Super simple and easy. So I hope you like this. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, my buddy Paul, he just made a new video on how you can copy his $10,000 a month business. You can access that by going to www.igetpaid.net, or you can click the button down below this video. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.